It's been a while since I've done a office vlog, but we're going into the Pinterest office today for no specific reason, but mainly it's Friday and I'm actually bringing in Russ to the office. He usually goes into his office every single day and he kind of has a free day today, and I've been wanting to bring him into the Pinterest office for the longest time because we can bring guests in now and I just want to show it to him and we can have lunch there. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm really excited. I've never brought in a guest to the office. Work's been kind of crazy though the last few weeks. I feel like I'm so behind on just editing and content right now because work is honestly kicking my ass. Not in a bad way in terms of like it's been hard, but I think work is just crazy and it really is just like mentally draining. So I feel like after work I've just been rotting away, which I don't prefer. Like I would like to, you know, edit or do other things after work, but I feel like the last month or so it's just been a little harder for me to concentrate. My team is a little understaffed right now, so hopefully when things calm down and we're just onboarding some new people, the workload isn't as overbearing as it has been. But regardless, it should be a fun day at the office today. It is a Friday. I'm excited to see what is on the menu for lunch today. I know Russ is really excited for that. His office doesn't give free lunch, so I think he's going to eat all the food and all the snacks. Life has been chill, I would say. I've been calming down on my whole concert escapade and I don't really have any trips planned right now. Our biggest trip that's coming up is this Christmas. We're going to go to Thailand and Laos with Russ's family, so that'll be a lot of fun. Hopefully next year I'll be traveling more. I feel like I'm gonna prioritize trips again next year. I've been saving a lot of money this year, so hopefully I can finally visit Europe next year. Maybe throw in a solo trip because I haven't really done a solo trip since 2022 and I've been itching to do one, so hopefully I can throw one in there. I'm going to the Philippines with my family for Christmas next year, so that'll be a lot of fun. It's 2 back-to-back Christmases in Asia, so that's really exciting. So I guess with all my free time, I really just want to try to catch up with all my social media. I've been struggling to get back onto TikTok. I don't know, something in me is just like motivating me to just try TikTok again. Honestly, it was really overwhelming when I first did it in 2022. I kind of wish I didn't give up or get so overwhelmed so easily because it's just so hard to grow on YouTube and Instagram. But the thing is with TikTok, I just felt like it was moving so fast and I just felt like I could not keep up with all the trends, all the TikToks, but I want to try to get back on it slowly. I'm still like holding myself back from posting like my first TikTok, so hopefully that comes out by the time I post this video. Oh, and before I get one other update, I'm also filming this on a new camera. I know I literally just bought the Sony ZV-1 back this April, I think. So it's only been a few months with that new camera, but I just couldn't resist buying this new camera because I am now using the Digi Osmo Pocket 3. And if you've seen what this camera looks like, you probably already know this is just such a good camera to use for content creators. It is so small. I bought it mainly just because I couldn't resist. I was just sold seeing how small the camera is, seeing that there's a built-in gimbal, and it's just so cute and small. And I do love the Sony ZV-1, but I found it kind of hard to carry because I had to attach a wide angle lens to it, so it kind of doubled the size of the camera, and I realized the stabilization in there isn't the best. So the fact that the Osmo is literally the size of, this is the case, the size of this, and there's a built-in gimbal, like I was completely sold. So I pretty much bought it without hesitation. I'll probably still use my Sony ZV-1 and all my other cameras, but this one so far has been a lot of fun to use. And I'm excited to vlog the office on it today. But other than that, I'm pretty much done getting ready. Very demure, very mindful, nothing too crazy for the office. But we're gonna pack, get ready. I'm waiting for Russ. He went on a run and went to get some allergy shots. So hopefully he comes back soon. He'll get ready, we'll pack up, and then we'll head to the office. And then after, probably just get dinner in the city and maybe watch a sunset somewhere. So we'll see. It's gonna be a good day.
Again, going to get free food and free coffee. Friday. Go fishing tomorrow. Can't complain. Life's amazing.
Life's amazing. Listen to Fred again, see you out, man. We made it to San Francisco. Just in time for lunch tea. Big smile. First day at work. Check him in. What'd you get? I know, it's been a while. Always here, always gonna be here for life. bless. Yeah, upstairs it's just opposite. It's just the open. Not leaving. Yeah, or we can sit at the bar if you want. We can do the bar.
Sometimes I think of you. 너 없이 뭔가 좀 공허해. 날이 무뎌지는 그 감각에 어느새 집중돼. Lost but found after we found. Thinking about the way we
Cheers.
SF day comes to an end.
여러 마음들 흩어져 난 돌아가면서 기억이 하나 두 개 없어져 그래도 남아있을걸 너가 말들 난 안 잊을래 Pretend I found a love but then that would just make me feel.
Just finished dinner. It's pretty good. Got
Little original Joe's.
Little Original Joe's. Usually it's a 4-hour wait, but we got it really fast. That was really good. Walked around the marina, got some drinks. Glad I took Russ to the office. What's your initial opinion of Pinterest office?
Free food, amazing. The food itself, I give it like a 2 out of 5. The drinks, 8 out of 10. The beer, free beer, 10 out of 10.
I know. Okay, we'll see if I bring it next time. Maybe not, because he keeps stealing all the free food.
Next time, we'll see you. Maybe we'll go to the Apple Cafe, where we have to pay. And there's no.
But we're gonna go home now.